For this next example, we're going to be connecting the area model to the standard algorithm. So let's go ahead and work on this problem. As we work out this problem, I want you to follow along on your paper or your dry erase board so you can show your teacher. So we have 23 times 31. I'm going to work it out in the area model first. So go ahead and draw a rectangle. Now I need to designate one of these numbers as my unit. So one of these numbers I'm going to leave alone, and the other one I'm going to break apart. So I'm going to designate 23. I'm going to leave it here, and then I'm going to break apart 31. So I'm going to say this area is 30, which would leave us with just 1 for this area. Notice I'm leaving this area bigger because 30 is a lot bigger area than just 1. So now that we have that, we can multiply our numbers together. So 23 times 30, I can think about that as 23 times 3. So that would give me 69. That would be 23 times 3 would be 69. But this is 3 tens, so it has a 0. So that would give me 690. And then 23 times 1, that's just 23. So now that I know these areas, I just need to add them together. So 690 plus 23. And I get 713. So let's check that using the standard algorithm. How do you set up the standard algorithm for 23 times 31? So I'm going to put 23 and 31, just like this. Now I'm going to multiply. So 1 times 3 is 3. Then I'm going to go 1 times 2, which is 2. Now at this point, since I'm moving to my second digit, the 3 is really a 10, so I've got to remember to drop a 0. You can put a smiley face in there to help you remember. Then I'm going to do 3 times 3, which is 9. And then 3 times 2, which is 6. Now I need to add these partial products. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 9 plus 2 is 11. And 6 plus 1 is 7. What do you notice about what we got in the area model and our partial products that we got in our multiplication problem? What do you notice? Yeah, they're the same. So 690 here is 690 there, and 23 here is 23 there. So the area model and the standard algorithm, you can see that these partial products, you get the same answer any way you do these.